The Power of Self-Discipline, a short moral story. Tara loved sweets more than anything. Cookies, candies, ice cream, you name it, she wanted it. But when her doctor said she needed to cut back for her health, Tara frowned. "How can I stop?" she asked. Her mom smiled. "You don't have to stop everything, just start practicing self-discipline." Tara didn't quite understand at first. That night, she stared at the cookie jar. She reached out, then stopped. "I'll have one tomorrow," she told herself. The next day, she had fruit instead of candy. It wasn't easy, but each day she made small choices, waking up early, finishing homework before games, and limiting treats. Weeks passed, and something surprising happened. Tara felt proud. She had more energy, more focus, and a smile that didn't come from sugar, but from strength. At school, she even started helping her classmates resist distractions during study time. "It's not magic," she told them. "It's just self-discipline." Her little efforts had turned into powerful habits. Moral: self-discipline isn't about saying no forever, it's about making strong choices now for a better tomorrow. Thank you for watching.